be honest, my hair goal is bald. I'm really thinking about cutting my hair again. I just think my hair for short for life. And right now I have heat damage, I have color damage, and it's time for a big chop. I still want a big chop.
Why are you looking at my hair?
So this is how much hair I have, but I also have a lot of damage and breakage. So does it make sense to keep it? Does it? I'm 50-50 with cutting it and just clipping it until it grows out, like just transitioning from damaged hair. But I don't want to do that. That's like a waste of time, a waste of product in my opinion. So why not just get rid of all the damage at once, right? Right? And then after I cut it, I'm going to wash it and style it and everything. I know I have an idea what I want. I want the back to be shorter than the front, but I don't want it to be that short. So I'm going to pause this video and pray about it and think about it, and then I'll come back and cut it. So you guys probably wondering why I'm not getting it professionally done. I normally do everything to my hair by myself, so I'm not afraid. Not at all. Not at all. So I'm just going to part my hair in sections. I just wanted to get rid of the ends first, and then I make up my mind again. It's usually easy for me to cut my hair, but not this time, because it grows so much and it's easy to comb. I can just simply put it in a bun whenever. I don't have to worry. Do I really want to cut my hair? Guys, right now I'm texting Dana for more support. This is so hard. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not finished with the back yet, so let me just. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna leave the back for now. The same thing for the next side. I feel like the sides are so much shorter than the back, but let me get it out the way. The front of my hair is so damaged. So far, I feel like this is a mullet. You know what? I can't do this on camera. I have to go in front of my mirror and finish shaping it how I want it. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So, I have no words. I'm just going to style it